From Architectural Tool Palette, we can run walls 2D and 3D. This command permits us to insert three-dimensional walls or just bidimensional walls. And if we choose 3D walls, we can also set the height of our walls, and we can also choose the reference, so we can move the red arrow from the left to the middle or to the right side, just to identify the internal side of our wall. I can also set the depth of my wall, and reference permit us to start choosing a reference point. Clicking OK button, the software asks me to identify the starting point. Left-click in the empty space, and then with the mouse you can identify the direction, and with the keyboard you can identify the length of your wall, for example 8,500, and you can press enter to confirm. As you can see, the mouse pointer is on the internal side of your wall. I can move the mouse to the right, typing for example 8,000 or 10,000. Sorry. Enter. Then I can move down 8,500. And now, if I want to close my wall, I don't need to draw also the last side of the wall, because if we read the command line here below, it gives me some options: undo, width, height, reference, arch, close. All these words have a capital letter. It means that if I type the capital letter, for example C for close, and I press enter button, the software will execute that option. I can see that my room has been closed, and now if I want I can move to view and shade, and I can change the point of view from the plan view to isometric view just to see how it looks like. We can also apply realistic visual style. We can come back to the plan view, and now if we want to add an internal wall, coming back to Architectural Tool Palette, we run again walls 2D, 3D again, and in this case I can change the dimension of my wall, depth of the wall. I can also activate reference, and I can press OK button. Instead of asking for the starting point, the software asks the reference point. So I can click the bottom left corner, and with the mouse I give the direction, and with the keyboard I can specify the distance from the corner where I want to start with my wall, for example 4,500, and I can press enter. Now the software will start drawing the wall using the reference I specified before. So now I just move up, and if I want to join to the other side of the room, I can use Shift button, right-click for quick AutoCAD OSNAP settings, and choose perpendicular, for example, and click. I can repeat, and again I can set the dimension, internal wall. In this case, I can activate reference, and I can move the arrow to the middle. I can press OK button, and this is my reference point, and now I want to start from the middle, so Shift button, right-click, midpoint. The software automatically identified the midpoint of my wall, and now Shift button, right-click, perpendicular again. In this way, we divide our room into rooms with the same size. And we can see also in 3D how it looks like.